Very much good morning. Good summer morning. Good summer morning, guys. We already know what we're doing today. I'm a mermaid. Look at my freaking name. What is my name? Chantel Mermaidia? Or is it Mermaid? Whichever one. You already know what we're going to do. We going to the beach. Each we gonna get a wave. They say what they gonna. Brothers and sisters, we must stay focused. I'm about to walk outside in my robe in my community complex. Looking like a crazy woman. But I need to get something. The first thing that I need to get is a life. I'm gonna probably get my bathing suit, which is in the back of my thing, my trunk. And specifically a black one, because today I am menstruating. I'm gonna see if I feel comfortable wearing that bathing suit. Might not. I can't find my black top piece bathing suit. Where did it go? I don't know. Where did he go? I honestly don't know. Today is a full moon, and I just want to spend the full moon in positivity and happiness and solitude. So we're going to the beach. Yeah, I'm gonna go in my car. We're gonna have a fun beach day. I know they think that I'm cool. I put my seltzer water in the freezer, so by the time that I leave, my water is cold and icy. So the plan for today is that I want to be gone by, I want to say, this is so Cosmo, Wanda. Remember this mask? I still haven't used it, but I'm going to be using the Rose Petal Mud Mask for calming. This is from Vitamin Squeeze. I'm going to be gone by 12. Right now it's like 9 something. I want to eat at the beach. I want to spend a good amount of time at the beach, so we're going to do that. This doesn't even look that pink. Oh my gosh. This doesn't look that pink at all. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It smells like baby powder, and that's something that I'm actually addicted to eating. I haven't cured my addiction, but I don't act on my addiction. Baby powder, cornstarch. It's called Pica. This is my morning. My morning routine is very not luxurious. I wouldn't say luxurious, but it's very calming. It's very chill, and that's what I like. I don't like rushing to go to my job that starts at 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., even 12 p.m. is too early for me to start working. Even 3 p.m. is too early for me to start working. I just like a nice, calm, relaxing morning. And what am I gonna do with my hair, you might ask, since I'm going to the beach? This shit is fucking synthetic. And I actually want to swim. I honestly have not swam in the water at all. And it's July, and it's because of this wig. But getting my hair braided is a lot of money. Maybe I should braid my own hair. Maybe I should just do that. Yeah. Instead of just waiting to get the money, yeah, you're right. Maybe I should just braid my own hair. And I'm talking to myself. It's not like you actually told me to do this, and I just told myself, yeah, you're right. Like a psycho person, like a crazy person. And I talk to myself quite often, believe it or not. It's just, you just saw a little glimpse of me talking to myself. Right now I'm talking to you, but sometimes I just be in my room, having a full-blown conversation, living in my own world. I think I might have maladaptive daydreaming syndrome, or maybe, honestly, I don't think that is. I think I'm just a Pisces moon. This many fucks. So I'm in my car. I had to change. I'm just checking mail right now. Oh no, this is a Capital One credit card they want me to pay. But I had to pay like $200 first. Or something. So it's a pre-approved credit lineup for $2,000. Ooh, they have a pink one. Wow. They also have topaz. They have amethyst too, and they have blue. Okay, now this is marketing. I was literally gonna be like, nah, I'm good. But now I'm just like, ooh. This is my beach bag. I'll just put everything inside right now. I think I'm gonna jump in because I'm burning right now. So I'm at the beach. Got the crystals on. The water is so blue today. This is like the bluest I've ever seen New York water ever. Especially this beach. This beach is always so ugly looking and dirty looking. But look, I think something with the sun. Because wow. Oh, and my eyes. Avoiding the sun like the plague because it's literally burning my skin. I feel my skin burning. Like, if I was pale, I would be red.
Get me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
My skin is burning. Like, honestly, my skin's burning. But am I getting darker? I hope I am. I hope I am. So excited. Seriously. I found these little shells. Oh my gosh. I think they're alive. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I should pick them up and put them back. Maybe I'll try that. I'm scared. Why am I scared? Like, I eat these things, but I'm scared of them. They can't even harm me. I hope. Look at this. Look at these. And this big one. I don't know if it's a shell or something. I'll just put these back where they came from. Look at them. That was honestly really gross. But yeah, you can look at them. The tide's just getting lower and lower. Oh my gosh, this is iconic. I'm so happy I came here today. Oh my god. This is a lot of fun, but I'm getting hungry. Like, I'm getting hungry a little bit, but I don't want to leave because I don't have no gas. I don't want to leave because I don't have no gas. And I hope my blood is not bleeding on these rocks because that would be embarrassing. Literally just resting because I feel like it. Today was a good day. and my hair, everything's bothering me. So it feels like there's bugs all over me. I'm slightly burning, not too much, just a little bit, not too much. It's way better than earlier because I came here at 12 and now I'm just resting. Look at this. No more lifeguard. How ashy my skin is. I literally put so much I put so much product, so it's not even me. And it took a while for me to become ashy. And my hair's itchy. I'm gonna have to do a hair care routine today because my hair is itching like crazy. Surprised my makeup like lasted except for my concealer. As you can see, it's literally running because of the Fenty concealer is not that good, honestly. Plus I'm crying because of the wind. Fenty concealer is ass. Oh my gosh, I want to love it so much because it has the perfect shade that I want, but honestly, look at, like, thank God I mixed the foundation because wow. Her and her sister have been fighting all day. It's so funny. I don't know what this is. Like, that's really nasty. Do they bite? Are they poisonous? No, I don't think they're poisonous. I've held one before at an aquarium. There's a horseshoe crab. I don't know if you guys can hear me. What the fuck is this? Is that like one of those deadly things? I forgot what you call it. Like the Portuguese blah blah blah. Do you guys know what that is? I have no idea what that is. I saw a crab somewhere, but I can't find it. I saw it somewhere. I wanted to show you. Where are the little fishies? I've never seen New York water look this good. I don't want to drop my phone. I literally don't want to drop my phone. But this, yes. The intrusive thought to just throw my phone in the water is crazy. But I'm not going to. I hope this does not go down because I need my phone. I need my phone for GPS, y'all. I need my phone for GPS. Is that? There's a horseshoe crab right there. Look at the little fishies. Look. Note to self, there's a horseshoe crab over there. Don't step on it. That is very scary. Yeah, I probably would have stepped on it if I was like, gross. Okay, let's watch the floor. Make sure we don't step on a horseshoe crab or a stingray. Some kids were saying that there was a stingray, and I'm walking with you guys because I can't swim with you guys. Let's go all the way over there. Let's go all the way over there. I'm gonna trust my phone. I'm gonna trust myself. I'm literally gonna trust myself. Let's go, bitches. Today is the full moon. Today is literally the full moon, so that's the reason why the tide is so low. And look, bitch, look. This is the ocean, and this is part of the ocean, but my stuff is all the way over there. Look at the yacht. Please invite me to your yacht. God, I'm manifesting right now. I'm gonna be on a yacht. I'm manifesting. I'm gonna be on a yacht. I'm manifesting. I'm going to be on a yacht one day. I need to know. Look.
And walk right up to the side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. And reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your peak, babe, deep, babe, deep.
Look at the little seagull. I'm still gonna go ahead and enjoy this, but I think I'm gonna push you guys back. I'm gonna push you guys back before the tide gets higher again. Cause look at the water. I think it might be because of that boat over there, but I hope you guys could hear me. That's a freaking yacht. Like, please invite me to your yacht. If you have a yacht, invite me to your yacht, please. Baby, that's not a boat. That is a fucking yacht. It's not a boat, it's a yacht. It's very much a yacht. So right now I'm in my car looking like a hot mess. Yo, that water really fudged me up. I decided to leave because, like, I couldn't swim because the water was too low. I'm still at the beach. Literally, like, the moment I got to my car, like, I was like standing outside of my car, I was getting bit by flies. They were biting the fudge out of me. They wouldn't even let me put my clothes fully on. I was getting bitten, attacked, devoured. I was getting devoured by these freaking nasty creatures. I feel very uncomfortable. My butt burns. Y'all, should I get ice cream? Should I get ice cream? I don't know if I should get ice cream. Should my fat self get ice cream? I didn't eat nothing all day. Shoot something. Yay. Look at this. Waffle cone, sprinkles, removes the gum from the mouth. Cause, yeah. This is giving very much summer. Tonight I'm gonna sleep like a baby. It's the full moon.
Peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. And reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your peak, babe, deep, babe, deep.
Who? What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I'm gonna go home because I don't feel good. I don't feel good.